Strongly bullish MOD stock, Modine Manufacturing, gained 0.96% in the regular session on the 1st of February 2023 and down 7.75% in this post-market session. The company disclosed its earnings outcomes. Yes, we have it here, the earnings outcomes, and they were better than expected. It says here, they say Modine Manufacturing fiscal Q3 adjusted earnings per share sales increase. Net sales for the quarter ended December 31st were $560 million, up from $502.2 million a year earlier. Foreign analysts surveyed by Capital IQ expected $562.4 million. Okay, and earnings per share I think was up by $0.05. Volume for that session was only 529,812. And let's see now, let's look at that chart. This is the chart of the stock, strongly bullish. As of the 13th of January this year, it printed a 52-week high of $23.21, and 13 days afterwards, which is today, it has now printed another one. It says here it reached a new 52-week high of $24.43. This exceeded the previous of $23.89 by $0.54, and it is 218.51% above the 52-week low of $7.67. Yeah, that is what's going on here. Strongly bullish since it rose above its 20-day moving average, which was sometime in early January. It hasn't dropped below that. We can see here that it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow cascade oscillator is above 80th level, which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing MOD stock and driving the price higher. The volume for this session was heavier than usual, trading 509,449 shares versus an average of 336,693 shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced bond indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So this company does, amongst other things, it's doing something relevant. It manufactures battery cooling and heating solutions. Amongst other things, it's into automotive and building. Into automotive. One of its two of its sectors, I believe, are related to automotive, the automotive industry. So, short interest we have here is not high on the open market, but in the off exchange is 53.28%. So short sellers are definitely involved, not openly, but in the off exchanges. So this is the 1 minute live chart. It has a downward projection of $24.07, and yet another one of 23.92 upwards ones, all the way towards 24.48 on the daily chart. Let's see what we have there on the daily chart. Let's see, upper projection of 25.55 towards 28.33. Downward projections, quite a good number of them, 23.31, 22.82, 22.17, 21.13, and 18.35. Those are the projections for MOD stock. Strongly bullish has been extending since strongly bullish has been extending since, I would say, since March or May last year, 2022. Strongly bullish MOD stock, Modine Manufacturing. Upper projections around towards $28. There's no guarantee that's going to happen, and it's also not popular at all. Not popular. Volumes are so tiny. Let's even get a float of the stock. Let's get the float. Shares floated, they're saying it is 50.22 million shares. Okay, so I think what this is indicating is that if it has up to that amount of shares, okay, 91% are held by institutional investors. Yeah, short sellers are, even though they are probably doing whatever they are doing, but it's not popular at all. And going by the volume we had in this session, maybe it can be said that yes, maybe the influence is not yet felt, not strongly felt. Yeah, but maybe with time, who knows? Because this off exchange volume we are looking at right now is sometimes it tends to affect the regular volumes, but with time we'll see what's going to happen. So, but just going by that, we can just probably say that the involvement of naked short sellers isn't very high at the moment concerning the stock. Maybe it's not so high, and maybe it's not so high at the moment. Not so not it's not to a detrimental level, you know. But we can see that the market is very, can be, I wouldn't say it's thin, but there's some indications that maybe in this post-market session it has thinned out, you know. Yeah, maybe liquidity is not very high there. Okay, see spread, you can see that, yes, not this is not a very liquid stock as such. You see the spread of 22.80 and 22.20. So yeah, but it's a stock to watch. Keep it in your radar and see how things are going to pan out. So thank you very much for watching this video.